had no idea na you're that protective over your staff.
She's not just my staff. She's my girlfriend. And I want you to stop using her for your own ambition. Kanina ka pa ba naghihintay?
Hindi naman. Okay lang. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Boss, ang daming tao. Tara. Ano pong recommendations niyo dito?
Our bestsellers po are Patagonian toothfish, grilled Tasmanian salmon, and mushroom risotto.
Ribeye steak for my girlfriend. Hindi.
Grilled salmon for my boss. For my boyfriend.
Thank you. So, do you have a problem with calling me your boyfriend?
Wala naman, boss. Wala naman.
See? Hindi mo mahirap sabihin, di ba? So, habang wala pa tayong tawagan, just call me by my first name.
At kapag wala pang sex.
Sa office,
Sa office, edi... boss.
happy po.
Very good. What's wrong, anak?
Followed your advice, ma. Apparently, my boyfriend is the secretary ko.
Boss? Sino?
Ma, how did your meeting with the reporter go?
It's okay. I don't agree with Robert's decision, but I get where he's coming from. Sana lang talaga sumunod yung Troy ngayon sa usapan na hindi na siya mag-iimbestiga. I just want that part of our lives to be over. Ayoko nang maungkot yung pangyayari.
Here, you should eat some more.
Hindi na po. Busog na po ako.
Oh, then you should hydrate. Drink more water.
Busog na talaga ako.
After what happened last night, I have to make sure that you're healthier.
Boss.
No. No.
Brandon, hindi na mauulit yun. Tsaka healthy naman talaga ako eh. Ano mo?
Then I'll bring you home so I make sure you're safe and you can rest.
Ha? Sandali. Boyfriend ko ba talaga yung kausap ko? O boss ko? Kasi, Brandon, wala kang dapat ipag-alala sa akin. Okay naman ako eh. Get to work.
Fine, then I'll help you at work.
Ha?
Look, I may be a selfish boss, but I'm not a selfish boyfriend.
Copy po.
See? I'll start by sharing my food. Eat some more.
Busog na ako.
Yes, we are settling our partnership with the Park family. Pina-finalize na namin yung contract, but verbally, this is a done deal. Yes. Okay. Just let me know what the chamber would say about the partnership and let them know that we're still open for other partnerships, okay? Okay, thanks.
Yes, within the day, mag-email si Jordy sa inyo ng mga details and collaterals ng mga bagong products namin. Yes. I'll check my email now. Sige, wait lang po. Hold on, 2 minutes.
Ano po yun, boss?
Sa Kim, wait lang, tapos na po.
Si Jess po.
2 minutes pa. Yes, please.
You're on the phone, you're on your computer. What's happening?
May mga pwede na sa akin na kailangan ko sagutin lahat ng mga.
Okay, then just forward them to me. Walang sasagot.
What?
I want to help you. So, sige na. Just forward them to me.
Yes, nag-email si Jordy. So yun na, nagulat ako kasi si BMC na mismo, yung nagsugot ng pending email sa Seth A.
OMG, nabasa ko yan. Si Elon Musk is also doing that.
Ang alin, sir, ba?
He's doing the things that his subordinates are doing just to gauge lang kung kaya niya ba yung mga ginagawa ng Seth.
Wait lang. Sinasabi niyo ba na magkakatambalan? Teka, may chance. Lalo na yung partnership natin sa Park Family. Nadinig ko kay Sir Philip, marami nga daw kasing changes na nangyayari. Naku! Ayun na nga yun!
Spell redundancy!
Pero sana naman hindi. Papalipat pa lang ako tsaka nag-down na ako ng ilang bonbon. Sir Kim,
Tapatin mo nga kami, may matatanggal ba sa company?
ha? Sino nagsabi niyo? Sir Kim, nasyak na naman po kasi ako kasi si BMC na po nagtapos ng pending emails mo. Ito naman kasi dapat talagang sumagot nun, di ba?
So, totoo nga si BMC nagtapos ng trabaho mo?
Oo. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na magkakatanggalan ng tao, ha? Walang ganun.
Eh, bakit tinulungan ka niya?
I'm done.
Si Kim, anong rason?
It's because of the event, no? I get it now.
Sir Kim, it's time to eat.
What?
BMC,
Hello po. Boss! Salamat nga pala sa sinishare mo ngayon na padala ng client natin. Di ba bibigay mo sa kanila yan dahil hardworking ang mga staff natin?
Wait, what? What? It's... Oh, yeah. Please enjoy the snacks.
Thank you po.
so BMC, hindi po kayo galit sa amin?
No, bakit mo lang magagalit?
because of the event, yung Idea Expo.
Don't worry about it, Walter. That's nobody's fault.
Boss, pwede ko ba kayong makausap? May di-discuss lang po akong important matter. Excuse. It's okay.
Sabihin si...
Lovey! Alam mo ba na may boyfriend na si Secretary?
Hindi. Bakit ba boyfriend?
Hindi ko nga alam.
Hold on. Kanino mo yan nalaman? Ano mang fake news yan?
Si Cyrus, siya ang nagbanggit sa akin kanina. Nag-change subject na siya nung nagtanong ako. Akala niya hindi ko na halata. Pero hindi ko na siya kinilit kasi parang affected siya.
Well, if it's true, I'm happy for her.
Ako din naman.
Pero sino kaya?
Kung sino man yan, it's not our business.
Curious lang ako. Wala bang nababanggit sa'yo si
Wala. Now, can we stop talking about this?
Sige lang. Tatawagan ko na lang si Secretary Kim.
Tumigil ka sa pangungulit mo kay Secretary Kim.
No, sige. Si Brando na lang ang tatawagan.
Ay, sus, Ginoo.
Usap na tayo.
Wait, are you mad? Did I do something wrong?
Yes, boss. Marami-rami.
Me? What did I do?
Holding hands sa office.
You don't like holding hands?
Sa office.
Okay, that's one wrong thing.
Cookies sa merienda.
Is that the reason why you gave them all away?
Tapos, tinrabaho mo pa yung trabaho ko.
And what's wrong with that?
Boss,
Brandon,
ayoko lang kasi na malaman ng iba yung tungkol sa atin. Huwag na yun. Lalo na sa opisina.
are you ashamed of me? Look, no one's ever gonna do anything before.
Ano naman kasi ito tungkol sa'yo? Tungkol sa akin. Issue, remember?
Fine, but explain to me bakit ayaw mong malaman ng iba.
Kasi boss ka. Ayokong questionin nila ang confidence ko. Ayokong nasabi silang mali sa akin.
That's ridiculous. 9 years na kitang secretary, 2 days pa lang kitang girlfriend. Bakit naman niya i-question yung competence mo?
Kung ano man yung respetong tinrabaho ko for 9 years, mawawala lahat yun. Lalo na kung sumabit ako, iisipin nila, naging kampante ako sa trabaho ko dahil girlfriend mo ako. Pag naman ginalingan ko, sasabihin nila, malakas lang yun kasi girlfriend siya ng boss. Kapag pinush ko naman sila, sasabihin nila sa akin, nagpa-power trip ako kasi ikaw yung boyfriend ko.
Okay. Then I'll fix this by firing them all.
Brandon, please, makinig ka muna sa akin.
Fine. If that's what you want then. Fine.